Okay, December 22nd. Just having some eggs, sausage, some tea. And then head outside for a little adventure. Wood stove is doing quite well for the heating. It's actually supposed to get up to, I think, +3 or something today. So that'll save on wood. I'll finish up my breakfast and then outside. See if I can take the drone up. Okay, I got some fire brick. So the first thing I got to do is clean out these ashes and then put in some brick. Now that I see this, the size better, I'm not sure I have enough, but whatever I have is better than what I got in there right now, which is nothing. Okay, got the bottom in. These ones are from Co-op, I believe. Then I got these other ones here from Home Hardware. But I'll put the Home Hardware around the edge, and that should be quite better than it was. We'll see how it works tonight as far as efficiency and lasting longer throughout the night. Okay, there we go for now. Got the bottom covered and one up on the side, one extra one, not extra, but two up. I'll let it go two up all the way around. And we even got the front here. So you can let me know what you think. But I think I'm only here for another 3 days, so that'll be good enough for now. And like I say, I'll go at least 2 high. Yeah, the steak turned out well. Cooked nice. Delish. I really like this buck knife. Very sharp, does the trick. So I had a good day today. I was in town, St. Paul, hit the pool, did a little swimming, little steam room. Very nice. It's like a shower, right? Well, it is a shower. better to do it there than here. I don't really have a shower set up properly yet. Met the brothers. Did coffee. That was awesome. Caught up, bullshitting, talking about the future, talking about the past. It's always good to see the family. So yeah, steak and wine. What else the guy need? Tomorrow's Sunday. Day of rest for most people, but not this cat. Got things to do. Be clearing a little brush, clearing some snow. Gonna go snowshoeing, take the drone up, get a couple of good videos of the snow cover. So that'll be good. But other than that, I'm gonna relax tonight, finish my steak, have a couple more glasses of wine, listen to a little bit of music, maybe dance by myself. Why not, right? Very romantic. Candlelight dinner. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, be sure to like, share, comment. And we'll catch you on the next video.